If you feel like your money disappears every month, you're not alone. But here's the truth. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a spending habit problem. Let's fix that today. Hey, this is Dennis Thompson with Cube Capital Group. Today, I'm breaking down 5 everyday things you can cut back on immediately to start saving real money. Eating out. Number 1. Eating out daily. That quick $10 lunch or $20 dinner doesn't feel like much, but over a month, that's hundreds of dollars gone. Start cooking more at home. Even a few days a week makes a big difference. Subscriptions. Number 2. Subscription overload. Streaming services, apps, memberships. Most people are paying for things they don't even use. Go through your bank statement. You'll find money you didn't even realize you were spending. Impulse spending. Number 3. Impulse buying. Online shopping makes it way too easy. If you didn't plan it, you probably don't need it. Try a 24-hour rule before buying anything. Convenience costs. Number 4. Convenience spending. Food delivery, rush shipping, quick stops. These small fees add up fast. Convenience is costing you more than you think. Energy waste. Number 5. Wasting energy at home. Lights on, devices plugged in, AC running non-stop. Small habits. Yard, bigger bills. Here's the bottom line. Saving money isn't about doing one big thing. It's about fixing small habits daily. Start by tracking your spending for just 7 days. You'll see exactly where your money is going. If you want more strategies to build and keep your money, connect with Cube Capital Group. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to stop leaking money.